Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a simple quick cuticle oil, and I'm going to use dried flowers and one little caplet of vitamin E, and I am also going to use just coconut oil. It's a coconut cooking oil, and this I got at Walmart, and it is 16 fluid ounces, and I think I paid like $10 or $13 for this. This is a really good cooking oil. It's supposed to be super healthy. I also use this cooking oil in my aquarium nails because it is very thin and slippery and slides around, and it's good for cuticles too. Any kind of cooking oil or olive oil or anything is good for your cuticles. And I like this one because it's clear. First you're going to need a bottle, and I got these at my local nail supply store. I think they're like under $1. And I need one of these. This is a pipette. I am going to put these little pieces of the flowers. I've got lavender, little pieces of dried lavender, and then I have some little dried flowers that I made. I dried them. I didn't make them. I dried them. Picked them and I dried them, and I'm just going to fit them down in this bottle. Just poke them down in there. I like this idea because the dried flowers make the oil look so pretty. Coconut oil doesn't have a scent, but if you want, you can add a scent to it. And now I'm going to get my oil out. And this is so I don't make a mess, you know. You don't want to try to pour it in there. I like the looks of a clear cuticle oil. And this is natural, you know, it's coconut oil. Of course, you can use mineral oil. All right, now I need to put in the vitamin E caplet. And you're going to have to pop it, and be careful you don't poke yourself. Pop it and put the oil down in there. Just squeeze out the caplet. There you go. You can add scent to this, which I probably will add a little bit of this lavender scent. This is for making soap. You want to have something that's safe for skin, and a scent that you use to make soap is perfectly safe. You just put a little bit of that scent in there. I wanted to give you this tip on how to put larger flowers inside your bottle. I found that if you just get a little bit of the oil out and you put it on the flower, it helps to soften up that flower a little bit and make it pliable. And then you can just pick the flower up, and you should be able to put it right down in that cuticle oil. And just look at this beautiful cuticle oil. Just look at it. Look at all the flowers in there. And they are whole. There's quite a few that are whole in there. Isn't that beautiful? That's why I like to use the clear oils, because the bottle looks gorgeous. Wouldn't that be beautiful on any nail tech's desk? Gorgeous, gorgeous cuticle oil. And it works good too. This is the cuticle oil. I wanted to give you an update on it. I made this cuticle oil in the month of May, and it is now August 5th. This is what it looks like. I took this on my vacation with me in June, and it spent most of the time in my car in the hot weather in Florida. And it did turn a little bit yellow, and I think that the reason that it turned yellow is due to the yellow buttercup flower that I put in here. I think that's what made it turn a little bit yellow, but the rest of the flowers have kept their colors so far, and it's been working really well, and it's smells beautiful. It's holding up great. If you don't want it to turn yellow, maybe try not putting in yellow flowers. See, that's the buttercup flower. So yeah, everything else, it looks pretty good. I'm probably just going to add a little bit of oil to this. And that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.